Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have got to review a folding solar panel from Powerness. This is 120 watt. It's a model Sloar X S120. We're going to take it out of the box, take it outside, see what it does, get it in the sun. This thing will be handy for charging your cell phones, laptops, a lot of different devices you can use to charge, or you can also charge your portable power station. This is the smartless power station. Should be real nice to go with this thing to charge it. We'll take this thing and open it up and see what's in the box. Okay, so in the box we have the folding solar panel. This is very, very cool. It looks really good quality. One thing it does have on this side is a kickstand, and also has a little user guide. But this is a kickstand, so when you got this thing folded out, you can put this kickstand out to hold it up from falling over. So very nice that it has one of these. It would go actually like this, I guess. And there'll be another kickstand on the other side here. You open up this side here, and we have all of our cable plugs. So you can see here on this part right here, we have a USB outlet. And on here we have a USB-C cable. And then we have a plug right here that plugs into your portable power station. We also have another plug right here to plug in other things with it. So it shows you a few different things on here. Shows you the DC cable, 18 volt, 6.6 amp. And then we have the USB cable, USB-C. It's 5 volt, 2.4 amp. And then we have a USB outlet right here that is 5 volt, 2.4 amp. That's the one that's on the display unit there. It tells you things you need to make sure of to check, which is make sure you got sun, not cloudy. You can do it in cloudy days, but it won't be as good. Direct sunlight is better. Make sure you have the position of this good when you position it in the sun, and you're ready to go. If you got it positioned and the sun, you're in good shape. So then what this thing is actually magnetic, and it clicks together really good. So the handle goes through. It's got a little weight to it. It's pretty good built, but magnetic like this. It also does have these eyelets on all four corners, and you could actually take this thing, put some little ropes on here or bungees, and you could tie it up into a tree so it's above your head when you're camping, and it won't be in your way on the ground. A lot of people do that when they're out camping. So we take this thing and fold it out. Velcro on this part. And it's actually going to be pretty big. So probably not enough room to show the whole thing on this table. You can see how big this is. We got 4 panels here, and we can direct them dudes toward the sunlight, put our kickstands down. We should be good to go. Let's take this thing out in the sunlight and see what it looks like. We put it back up, just go like that. Velcro's down, magnet on this side, pack it around, ready to go. So it does show right here on the little manual that comes with it. It says it's the model Sloar X S120, peak power is 120 watt. The cell efficiency is 23%. The voltage, power voltage is 18 volt. Power current, 6.6 amp. And it says open circuit voltage, 21.6 volts. USB-A output, 5.2 volts, 2.4 amp. USB-C is 5 volts, 2.4 amp. Operating temperature range says -10 to 65 degrees Celsius. Dimensions unfolded is 1596 by 528 by 7 millimeter. And then folded, it's only 528 by 45 by 42 millimeter. And the package contents, of course, is just what I showed you. The solar panel and the user manual. Everything else is all compact in this one unit. Okay, the good part about today is it is a very nice and bright sunny day. The sun is pretty much direct south right now. So we'll fold this thing out. Put our kickstands down. And there's actually 4 of the kickstands. And we'll aim it pretty much directly toward the sun. Okay, now I'm going to plug in my portable power station. So all I have to do here is pull out my cables like so. Then I'll choose the one that goes to the portable power station, plug it in right here. And the one that goes to this smartless power station is the small jack that it comes with. There's some that might take this bigger one. All right, so we're plugged in. It is charging. You can't see it, I'm sure, because this sun is so bright out. It's going to be hard to see anything, but it is, the little battery cell is showing going up and down. It's at 87%, and it is flashing. Okay, I want to show you on the back of the unit. You can see the little display here. It says DC 19.5 volts. That's because I tilted it away from the sun. It actually was better. USB-C 5 volt, USB-A 5 volt, 3.4 amp. You can see when I get it tilted back more into the sun better, we got 21.6 volt. So a lot better. And it is charging our power bank. And while I'm at it, I went ahead and plugged in my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And you can see that it is charging also. Hopefully you can see that. And I went ahead and plugged it into the back into the USB port. So very cool. I can actually charge when the sun's bright like this. I can charge my cell phone. I can run my laptop. I can be charging my portable power station. This is very cool. Okay, so I'll show you another view here. This is a very beautiful day out here. You can see my shadow. So the sun is nice and bright. I've got it tilted directly toward the sun, charging my smartless power supply, and I've also got it charging behind there is my laptop and my iPhone. This is very handy to take with you, super compact. It's so thin you can just fold this up, throw it behind the seat of your pickup, throw it in the trunk of your car and whatever. It don't take up much room at all, and it's very durable the way it's made. So this would be a super thing to take with you out on a camp trip, a day excursion. You want to charge things up, even if the sun's not out bright, you can actually still charge things, but you won't have near the voltage, so it will be a little slower at charging, of course. The better sun and the more you have it direct in the sun, the better, of course, that it's going to be. So big thumbs up from me on this Powerness solar panel. 120 watt is pretty dang awesome. I love the way it folds the 4 panels. The handles are great. The magnetic, and I could take, like I said, those 4 loops there, tie this thing up and by strings into a tree where it's up above my head and not in the way, interfering, and still use it like that. So very cool. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the link below. I'll put a link where you can check this out. Subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one. Right on.